Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by joining Accurate Piggy RP the return and pick a populated server with low ping. This reduces desync and improves interaction timing. Play normally until you reach player level 10 and collect 500 coins, which unlocks access to the character purchase menu. During your first hour, complete the new player tutorial and explicitly accept the onboarding quest. Doing so reveals the hidden objectives needed to progress toward unlocking Zack and prevents the quest from timing out. To unlock Zack, finish 3 specific main quests and an optional side mission that together mark Zack's storyline as available. Track quest progress in the Mission tab. Next, travel to the Central Library District and locate the Archivist NPC who triggers the Zack questline. Speak to them and accept the multi-stage investigation task. After completing the investigation stages, return to the Archivist and claim the unlock. The Zack outfit then appears in the shop for purchase at 500 coins with no additional requirements. Once purchased, open your wardrobe menu, select Zack, and confirm the outfit swap before queuing for a match so the server registers the change. Zack includes a special ability toggled by pressing the K key. This ability has a 60-second cooldown, so time your engagements and escapes around that timer. Finally, practice playing as Zack in private matches for at least 3 rounds to learn his audio cues, movement speed, and optimal stealth approaches before using him in ranked or public matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.